Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring Edge isn't fighting a pending OS update. Make sure Windows updates are applied and reboot. Once done, export your bookmark so nothing is lost, and then fully quit Edge. Use Task Manager to end remaining Edge processes. This prevents file locks and profile corruption. Make sure you have admin access because the next steps require permissions. Doing these quick checks first saves time and preserves data before deeper troubleshooting. You should test whether your profile or stored data causes the issue by adding a new profile and launching Edge. If it works, the old profile is corrupt. Next, clear cache and cookies to remove stale resources that break pages. This resolves many rendering and login issues. Then disable all extensions and re-enable them one at a time to isolate a misbehaving add-on. These steps separate causes, profile, data, or extensions, so you know what to repair or reset. When those targeted fixes fail, use Windows Repair for Edge first. It replaces application files while preserving your profile, which fixes corrupted binaries. If repair doesn't help, uninstall Edge and reinstall the latest build to fully refresh the app. Finally, test a fresh Windows user account to detect system-level conflicts. If things still go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode with networking and run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.